Over 100 million Nigerians buy airtime every blessed day. What if you could intercept just a tiny fraction of those transactions and put the money, the profit, straight into your own pocket? Today, I'm breaking down the step-by-step process of starting a recharge card printing business in Nigeria right from scratch with zero guesswork. However, before you can get started, you need 3 or 4 things. The first thing you need is a printer. You don't necessarily need to get a large printer. You can start with a Bluetooth printer. That is what most people start with, and this is an example here. You can see it here. This is a good example of printer you will need, and it costs far lesser than a normal printer. And the beautiful part of it is that you can take it anywhere you go. Even if you travel, you can take it along with you and print anywhere and wherever you find yourself. The second thing you need is your smartphone, which I believe you already had. And the third thing is your data connection. That is very important. And lastly, the fourth thing you need is a software or a platform or an app where you will be buying the recharge card pins from. And that is what I am going to show you today. I am not just going to show you the platform, but I will be buying airtime in real time. So that is one of the major reasons why you shouldn't skip this video. Ensure you watch this video to the very end. Share the video, like it, and comment "I am ready" in the comment section. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing first, you need to head over to your Google browser or any browser of your choice. Open your browser. I'm going to be using the Chrome browser here. Mind you, this video is for tutorial purpose only. I already had an account on the platform, and this is currently my own account where I buy my pins. And for you to know, let's just go to print pins for you to see. So you can see these are some of the airtime pins that I have purchased. I have purchased all these. There are a lot of them. I can even use the search feature here. Let me put 100. Let me just search for this. So you can see there are a lot of pins that I have purchased on this platform. So, and to print, I can just click here. And that is when you need to connect your printer. So I am going back. I want to show you exactly how to sign up, how to register on the platform, how to do everything. So be patient. Do not skip this video. I'm going to be logging out of this account right now. So let's head over to, I'm going to uninstall the app so that you can easily understand. I will install it later. So now the app is already uninstalled. So I'm going to Chrome browser, then search for this website, SellerPay. Search for SellerPay. You can see this is the exact website where we are going to. So once you get here, you can just click on SellerPay, or you use www.sellerpay.com. You can see it here, and you can check the description of this video. Check the description, you will see the link. You just need to tap it and immediately you will land on the page. So let's go. Now I am on the website homepage. You can see I am prompted to install the app. The reason is that I have already uninstalled the app just to guide you. So once you see this, please don't skip it. Install the app immediately. But I'm not going to be installing it now anyways. So let me log in. See the information here. This is very vital. Please do take note of it. We do not keep inactive accounts, so please do take note of that. So let me quickly register. Provide your full name. Provide your username as well. Make sure that it is just a word. Let me just use Olusegun rather. You can see provide your active email address. You can see, make sure you provide your WhatsApp. You can see it was specified here. Provide your WhatsApp phone number. You can see, so your state, I'm going to put Lagos State here. Please mind you, this is for tutorial purpose only. Let me just put Kwara. And how you find us, maybe you find the platform through Facebook, YouTube, whichever platform you find it. Let me use YouTube as a sample. So password. So make sure that your password is correct and you don't forget. Now your transaction pin, don't forget it. It is very, very important because you need it to carry out transaction on the platform. So after that, who referred you? You can just put my name anyway. You can put Oluwan as your referral name. That is my username on the platform. Then finally tap on register and let's see the magic. Yeah, finally. So please mind you, if you've not installed the app, ensure that you do that. Install the app ASAP. So let me just install the app once and for all. You can see this account is a new account. You can see there is no money there. However, you can see this is my account number, my dedicated account number. So when you register, you also see your account number like this here. So as a recharge card vendor, you can fund your wallet without any charges. No money. With this Fidelity account, you can fund your wallet and no charges will be deducted. So let's continue. The first thing to do is to fund my wallet. Let me just fund my wallet with maybe 200 naira. I just want to test it for you to see. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to my OP account to fund the wallet. I've copied my account number here. So you can see this. So let's go back to my dashboard and see what happens. So let me log in again. Woo! The money is there now. Let's go and buy airtime pin. What you need to do now is to tap buy pins. You can see this is where we're going to be buying the pin. Take note of this, please. You are currently on the standard plan. Upgrade now to unlock massive wholesale discounts and double your profit margin instantly. Now I can buy pin maximum of 2 pin. Take note of that because I'm not here to convince or confuse you. You can buy maximum of 2 pin. After that, you will be prompt to upgrade. You cannot print seamlessly here. until you upgrade your account to either vendor or agents. When you upgrade to agents or vendor, you will immediately start getting discounts on all your purchase. Now I can't get any discounts, and even the number of pin I can buy is limited to just 2, as you can see here. So don't be confused here. Now to upgrade, you just have to click discount. I highly recommend agent plan because it comes with more benefits, more discounts than vendors plan. So let's proceed. Your business name here, let me just say Olusheg Global. So business name MTN, I am using MTN. So 100 naira. So you can see I don't get any discount now, but if I have upgraded, I would have gotten a discount here. So tap to proceed. Okay, let me just enter my pin. You can link your fingerprints instead of using pin, but I have not linked it yet. But because of tutorial purpose, let me just keep it my pin. Let's wait for the magic. Woo! Successfully bought the pin. You can see now. Tap on. You can see that the 2 has reduced to 1. Let's go. View and print pins. Woo! This is my pin. Do you want me to show you how to? Maybe this thing is truly legit. Let's go. I am going to copy the pin now. I want to copy the pin so that I can load it. So let me open my this thing. So *311 star. Take note of this. Now I want to load it. Which number should I? Okay. Woo! Account recharge of 100 naira was successful. Okay, let's go to message. You can see this now. Look at the time. Look at the time at the top there. Look at it. Successful. Now let's check the balance. *310 hash. You can see. Do you see that? Great. So you just need to follow this step, every step provided in the video, and trust me, you are good to go. Start selling to people around you. Start supplying people closer to you and even farther from you. Start selling. Start using SellerPay today. Please ensure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Turn on the notification and you will no longer miss any of my videos. See you in my next video. Bye bye.